Hello, welcome back to my channel. This month is Beauty Bakerie. Yay! I was so excited. I think their stuff looks so cute. So I finally ordered the Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Lighter Palette. And this is the packaging that it comes in. So cute. And it says right on here, the only suggestion that I would give to them if they happen to see this is on the back of their packaging, their font is in the pink color as well, and it makes it hard to read. So I think if that was in brown or black, it would be much easier to read. And then here's how it opens. You have the palette like that. And here's the palette itself, so cute. You can see it's got the 3D kind of puffs of cotton candy. Back of the palette. And it says our Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Lighter palette is here to give you major glow with 4 rose flush shades. Rose flush shades. These metallic sheens will leave you feeling light and bubbly, so sit back and relax and toast to a second serving of the Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Lighter Palette. I think that's so cute. Okay, so then open it, take that out, and here are what the pans look like. They're a pretty good size. Up here, it says Toasting to the Sweet Life. Very, very cute. And it has a magnetic clasp. So we're going to talk about that. And then I got a mini lipstick in Iced Raspberry. And oh my God, look at the packaging. This is what the lipstick came in. It looks like a slice of cake or pie. Isn't that adorable? And it's called Cake Pop Lippy. So, so cute. And it says on the side, baking tips. I just love their packaging. I don't know if that's coming in clear. There we go. Apply lipstick directly to the lips for smooth coverage. Start at the center of the lip and work outward to define the lip line. So, so cute. It has the ingredients on there. So I do have my look already done. I was using, on my eyes, I have the Makeup Revolution Emily Edit Palette, the Once, and Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and then I have the Bare Minerals Foundation Stick on my face. So that's already done, so we can get started. So the brand Beauty Bakerie is cruelty and paraben free. They are vegan. Do finger swatches. Okay, so that is 24-hour champagne diet. The next one is Sip Sip Hooray. Then we have Stop and Smell the Roses. Oops, that one kind of, there we go. And No Champagne, No Gain. And so there is the colors. If you want a little bit more of a highlight, I would definitely say the top 2 colors. These do have a little bit of shine, obviously, to them, but they're not quite as shimmery as the 2 bright kind of bubblegum pinks. Really, really like them. And when I've used them, they've gone on really easy to apply. You know, I don't really get where you put it on and it's like, oh my gosh, this is so much. So let's see, what color should I do today? This is a Bare Minerals face brush, but I like to use it for blush. And I'm gonna go in with Stop and Smell the Roses. And as you can see, I don't have too much on the brush. And it's a nice, soft look, but that you can build them up if you want a deeper, darker shade. But what I like about these is, you know, you don't put it on and then have to work your way onto correcting it because it goes on so much, if that makes sense. My lighting, I just adjusted them a little bit. I think that they were just shining a little bit too much right on my face. And then I'm just going to take and see what happens. This is the Ulta Beauty blush brush, and I'm just going to take the Sip and Hooray and just kind of put a little bit on topper here, just to give a little bit more color on the top, and it has a little bit of the shimmer. So then I feel like you don't really need a highlighter there. So pretty. And you could use these as eyeshadows as well. And they do have a rewards program on their website. There is different levels. Right now I'm at the beginner level. If I spend $150, then you're bumped up to the next level. But right now, for 5 points equals $1. And when you first sign up, there's different things that you can do. You can get points for liking their Facebook page, following them on Instagram, adding your birthday. So different ways to get points besides just spending money and purchasing things. So I think that's pretty cool. So of course I will have their website linked down below and the links to these two products specifically if you're interested, but I would definitely go over and sign up for the rewards program. It's free. So okay, the blush, this blush palette is $38 on their website or on Ulta. The lipstick is $14, and again, the color I got was Iced Raspberry. Packaging is very cute. It's kind of like a hard cardboard, and then it has a little indentation on the bottom that I think is cute, and their logo is on the top. And here's the color, and we will swatch it over here. So pretty. And the owner, I was amazed to find out her story. I heard of Beauty Bakerie, but I didn't really know much about the brand. So when I started researching it, she just has a really cool story. At the age of 9, she would beg her mom to take her to the library so she could check out books on how to start a business. I just think that's amazing at that age. I think she was destined to do this for sure. And then around 14, she would pitch ideas to board of directors. I mean, I just can't imagine doing that at that age. So this goes on really, really creamy. It's definitely easy to apply. It's just such a pretty color. So now I feel like with that color, I might need a little bit more blush. And then she became a young mom at the age of 16. In her early 20s, she wrapped up LPN pursuits and then kind of remembered her love for the arts and business and kind of then went down more that path. So now I'm adding, I just wanted to add a little bit more, the 24 Champagne Diet. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Look how nice that is. And that color is a little bit more powdery than the other colors. As you can see, I used this one, and they're not real powdery, but this one does get that way, just as an FYI. She also had other struggles. She battled breast cancer, but she is making it Ulta stores on May 26th. So I am so excited. I have an Ulta near me, so I will definitely be going over there and taking pictures of the display and kind of videoing and swatching things. So I'll definitely, I don't know if I'll do a video on here about it, but I will definitely do a video over on Instagram and take pictures. So jump on over there if you want to see that. So as I talk more about the history, I'm just going to, those are the only 2 items that I have from the company, but there's so much more that I want to try. Right now I'm just going to put on Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. But the other things that I really am interested in is their setting powder. I'll insert pictures of the packaging. It just looks so cute. It looks like little flowers or a flower bag. I just think I love their packaging. And their mini highlight, I would love to try that. And they do have single cream eyeshadows, which I thought was nice. Those are $5 each. And I thought it was great. I emailed the company just because I wanted to confirm. I know that their website, you know, said that they're cruelty-free, but I just like to confirm on my own. I've been emailing companies just to kind of confirm, and just as an interested, you know, FYI, to see how they respond, if they respond. And they responded right away, and they confirmed that they are cruelty-free. And for their ingredients, you know, on every single item on their website, you can drop down and see what the ingredients are. They said they have nothing to hide about them, so they're very upfront and honest about what is in each product. I also think, I'll again insert a picture, but they're blending egg sponges. I can't wait to see these in the store. They are $18 for 6 sponges, but that packaging, it looks like you're buying, you know, a little package of eggs. It's so cute. I just cannot get over how cute their stuff is. So yeah, I really, really like this blush. It definitely is moving into my top blushes that I'm grabbing for. So definitely love it. Before this, I was really liking, also in my rotation of blushes, is the Makeup Revolution Cream Blush and Tarte. So this one has definitely moved into that list, and I will be trying it more. Like I said, over on Instagram too, I will be posting pictures of me using it, and I do plan on using it as eyeshadow and see how that goes as well. So I would love to know, the question of the day is, have you tried anything from Beauty Bakerie? Because I'd really love to know, if you have tried something from the company, what else do you recommend? Because when I look at their website, I just want to buy it all, but of course I can't afford it all. So I would love to know from you what other things that you recommend from the brand. So I hope that this was helpful. I am so excited about this brand. I hope that that does come across on here, because I really am excited, and I love supporting a female entrepreneur and just love her story. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.